Hi, we're Joey and Marilyn Alexander from Chicago. We came to this last chance weekend intensive, and it was definitely our last chance, and God met us here. It was such an amazing experience, life-changing, and we are so grateful that we was able to come and strengthen our marriage, get breakthroughs, overcome our issues, the infidelity, and come back together and have a fresh restart. If you're going through hardships and you really need something intense, this is the thing for you. It's worth the investment if you want to save your marriage, definitely.
Yes, and also with that, I know people are going through counseling. Counseling takes a long time. This intensive is the thing that you want to do to get your marriage on track, so that all of the things, everything that you need is all in one weekend, and you get to experience the whole thing. You get to all of the knowledge that you need to get back on track. Things that you might take months and months and months in counseling. We got it all right here in one weekend, and the transformation is amazing.
If you trust the process,
trust the process,
and can be transparent and be totally open,
honest,
it will work for you.
Yeah.
No games, no gimmicks. Hasani and Danielle are the real deal. Couples Academy is the real deal.
Yes.
So please,
don't wait.
save your marriage.
All right. Bye.